Hi, it's Mark here again at jobbersinc.com in Philadelphia, 215-236-8500 or jobbersinc.com. Here we got a little Michigan loader manifold that we have for a customer. It's got a 190 Waukesha in it. We pulled her out of warehouse 3 and brought her up, cleaned her up a little bit. 215-236-8500 or jobbersinc.com. We've got the original maintenance manual for the customer. We've got all the gaskets that he needs and the carburetor gasket up there as well. We have additional engine parts, cylinder heads, or a cylinder head, excuse me, valves, bearings, gaskets, whatever you need for the little 190. 215-236-8500 or jobbersinc.com. Over 75 years, Waukesha engines and parts, and we're really happy to keep them running. We've got the parts, if you've got the wrenches. Thanks for watching.